Welcome back. Today we are tackling an special case, null values. Null means data is missing or not applicable. You can't compare nulls with equal or not equal. Instead, SQL has is null and is not null keyword to work with this. Let's get addresses where address 2 is null. So this should return all addresses where the address is null. You can see it here. There's only 4 records. Now what if we want to get the results where the address is not null? So we can change the condition here that address 2 is not null. So we can see that there's a lot of empty rows, but those are not null values. They have empty characters in them. So that's why it's not written as null. So remember, empty strings are not the same as null. If a column has both, it's better to clean up your data. For example, by updating these empty characters with null. And that wraps up the where clause. In the last couple of lessons, we covered simple conditions, combining and, or, in, and like operator, using limits, offset, and face keywords to limit the number of rows in our result, as well as handling null values. In the next video, we will move on to grouping data. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.